Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Home Decor Ideas. Today our journey into the charming world of rustic farmhouse kitchen. In this video, we'll explore timeless design elements, clever storage solution, and cozy accent that bring warmth and character to any kitchen space. Whether you are looking to renovate your own kitchen or simply see inspiration, join us as we dive into the heart of the rustic farmhouse style. Let's get started. Let's talk about centerpieces of any farmhouse kitchen, the sink. A deep apron front sink adds both of functionality and style, evoking a nostalgia feel of simpler times, reclaimed wood countertops, and open shelving displaying mason jars and ceramic dishes. Let's discuss materials. Embrace the beauty of natural wood with reclaimed wood countertops and open shelving. This not only adds warmth and character, but also allow you to showcase your favorite dishes and decor pieces. For the cooking area, consider investing into a vintage spare stove and range hood. These timeless pieces not only serve their purpose but also become a focal point in the kitchen, adding a touch of old world charm. A farmer's dining table set with mismatched chair and fresh flowers. Now let's move into the dining area. A farmhouse kitchen is not complete without a dining table surrounded by mismatched chairs. This created a relaxed and inviting atmosphere perfect for family gathering and casual meals. Let's talk about storage. Open shelving is not only practical but also allows you to showcase your favorite dishes, jars of homemade and rustic basket, adding both functionality and style to your space. Now let's add some personality to the walls. Vintage inspired sign, chalkboards, menu, and rustic artwork are great ways to infuse your kitchen with character and with me. Don't forget about the details. Export brick walls, iron accent, and vintage spare lighting fixture all contributing to the rustic farmhouse aesthetics. Let's talk about textiles. Oven racks and cozy throw blankets add a warmth and texture to your kitchen, making it feel like a truly homey retreat. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through rustic farmhouse kitchen ideas. We have explored the timeless charm of apron front sinks, the warmth of reclaimed wood countertops, and the character of vintage spare stove range. Remember, it's small details like export brick wall and iron accent that truly bring the farmhouse aesthetics to life. Whether you are cooking up a storm or simply enjoy a cup of coffee, may your kitchen always be cozy, heaven filled with warmth and memories. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Keep watching this video. Until next time, happy decorating.